vision and a theme, the scene is set. A man returns, the world won't forget. From South Africa's fight to India's call, Mahatma Gandhi stands for all. He came with faith, not sword or gun, but truth and peace, his chosen one. Satyagraha, he softly said, win hearts, not hate, through love instead. India's people tired and torn, under British rule hopes were worn. Peasants cried, taxes high, freedom's dream was in the sky. Champaran 1917, Bagh's pain, indigo farmers broke the chain. Next came Kheda 1980s fight, peasants said no tax, Gandhi's light. By truth and love, he gained the trust, non-violence first, injustice must. And slowly India's voice grew strong, in Gandhi's words they found their song. Do or die, stand for right, hold the truth, shine your light. Satyagraha, yo, 1919, Rowlatt act attack. No trial, no rights, they pushed us back. Amritsar, we gathered, peaceful crowd. Jallianwala Bagh, shots thundered loud. Hundreds fell, silence cried, and something deep in hearts had died. 1920, the fire began. Non-cooperation, Gandhi's plan. Boycott schools, courts, foreign clothes. Pick truth and unity, everyone rose. But Chori Chowra turned the tide. Violence came, Gandhi cried. He called it off, he took the blame. Non-violence first, always the same. Time rolled on, the 1930s came. The Salt March lit a brand new flame. Sabarmati to Dendi Shore, 240 miles, the nation roared. Salt is ours, the people sang. From rich to poor, the voices rang. Civil disobedience, the code. With peaceful steps, the movement flowed. Gandhi met Irwin, pact was made, but British rule still hadn't swayed. Then came 42, the final fight. Quit India, echo day and night. Do or die, the slogan spread. Though Gandhi jailed, the dream wasn't dead. Youth and women led the way. Freedom's fire refused to sway. Till 1947, that fateful year. India free, but partition's tear. Do or die, stand for right. Hold the truth, shine your light. From Dundee shore, Delhi's pride. Gandhi taught the world to try. Do or die, stand for right. Hold the truth, shine your light. From Dundee shore, Delhi's pride. Gandhi taught the world to try. He wore no crown, no royal name, yet shook the world with peaceful flame. A frail man's steps, a thunder sound. In every village, hope was found. Ahimsa Satyagraha, truth so clear. His message echoes year by year. Not just for India, the world to see. That peace and love can set you free. So remember these years, hold them tight. 1915 to 1947's light. Champaran, Kheda, Dandi, all where Gandhi answered the nation's call. Freedom born through non-violence way. Let's walk his path even today. Truth our weapon, peace our guide. That's how Gandhi turned the tide.